Hi everyone! Today we are going to draw My Melody by Sanrio. Now let's get started. To draw My Melody, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So we're going to draw an oval. And let's give it a little highlight and shade everything else in. Now let's come across nice and wide and draw the other eye. I'm gonna make this oval the same size as the other one and a highlight. Now we have the eyes in. Let's come in between the eyes, right in the middle. And we're going to draw the nose. So a curved line. There. And now let's draw the mouth. So a soft curve like this. There. So now let's frame the face. So we're going to give us a point right here and draw this point across to have another reference point on the other side, and we're going to draw a curve and same on the other side. And now let's finish the top. And we're going to do the same at the bottom. And connect. So now we have the face, and now let's get to here. So let's draw the outside. So I'm gonna do this, and let's draw a curve. So it's going to start off wider right here, and it's going to taper in here towards the bottom. And now let's bring this line up. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So now let's go to the top of the head and find the center. We're going to draw the ear. So we're going to draw this line up. And we're going to flop it down. There. And now let's connect this ear to the head. There. So now let's draw the other ear. Round it off. bring this ear back down. Now let's put in the bow. So I'm going to draw a circle first. And now let's draw 2 loops right there. Now let's bring this ear back down, connect to the bow. And now let's bring this line up and connect to the bow. There, so now we have the head ready. I'm just gonna make the line look smoother here. Now let's draw the body. So I'm going to draw like a curved line right here. And we're going to do the same for the other side. And let's draw the body. Now let's put the oval in right there for the feet. So draw a curve first. Let's angle it so it looks like, you know, slightly tilted. Okay, and we're going to do the same on the other side. There. Now let's connect the 2 feet together with a soft curve. Now let's draw the hands. So it's going to come out right here and bring it back towards the feet. And same on the other side. Now let's color it. And there, that's how to draw My Melody by Sanrio. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today, and if I make this fun and easy for you, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.